Hi, my name is Michael Ayaki from Miti Alliance, and the innovative solution that we are proposing is the Eco Hub model. And behind me, you can see an array of different trees. We call this the tree museum, where we have set up different indigenous species that are growing behind us. And on this other side, we have a tree nursery, where the tree nursery serves as the source of seedlings from the various locations that we plant trees, especially community and schools. And we also get the school children and teachers to visit this site so that they are able to learn and appreciate what we are doing here before we go and replicate the same in either their homes or in the schools. Then at the back we have a forest. It's called a Miyawaki forest. And this Miyawaki forest is a technique by a Japanese man called Miyawaki, which we have practiced here and set up for 200 square meter forest. And what the whole idea about is, it's about how to do restoration in the fastest way possible. And we also have behind me here is an eco lodge, which we build using sustainable materials of construction. So as Miti Alliance, what we are trying to do is showcase these different methods of sustainable practices that are going to help each and every one of us. Behind me is the sustainable kind of construction that we do, and you can see how it is going. And these are methods that we encourage so that people are able to use cop building as a method of construction, and the use of renewable energy as a source of energy. So everything either from water heating or from lighting and power comes from the solar. So this is what the Eco Hub involves, and we are able to bring people here. We've been able to bring students, we've been able to bring teachers, we've been able to bring the community, and from here we are able to showcase this and then empower them to be able to understand what exactly we are doing.